Growth is slow. Growth is steady as well. So don't feel uncomfortable when things are not moving fast. Because when there is growth, there is steadiness, and that's all you need in life. Hello, beautiful souls. This is me, Bithika. Welcome to my channel, Divine Healing. Today we will talk about growth. मेरे पास ऐसे बहुत सारे क्वेरीज आते हैं इंस्टाग्राम में, डीएम में कि मैम मैं स्टेप लेना चाहती हूँ, मैं स्टेप लेना चाहता हूँ, मैं स्टेप लेती भी हूँ कुछ करने का, लाइफ को सुधारने का। मेरे जितने सारे ट्रॉमास रहे हैं या फिर जो भी लाइफ के सिचुएशन रहे हैं, लेकिन जब भी मैं 2 स्टेप लेती हूँ कुछ ऐसा हो जाता है कि फिर आई डोंट वांट टू गो फॉरवर्ड, आई वांट टू जस्ट स्टे इन दैट सिचुएशन. Let me tell you one thing. Growth is 2 steps forward and 1 step backward. Growth is uncomfortable. अब जब भी एक सिचुएशन को सुधारने की सोचोगे ना, तो आप नॉलेज गैदर करोगे, आप काउंसलिंग लोगे, आप अपने आप को हील करने की सोचोगे, राइट? तो यू बिकम अ नॉलेजेबल पर्सन, यू बिकम कॉन्शियस. सो आपने क्या किया? आपने 2 स्टेप आगे चले गए, राइट? लेकिन जब वो हीलिंग स्टार्ट होता है, जब वो कॉन्शियसनेस आने के बाद आप एक्शन लेते हो, आपका जो ब्रेन है वो प्रिपेयर्ड नहीं है वो सब एक्शन देखने को. वो एक्शन जब आप ले रहे हो, योर ब्रेन इज नॉट अवेयर ऑफ इट, नॉट यूज टू इट, एंड इट मेक्स यू अनकंफर्टेबल, एंड देन एंड देयर इट टेक्स यू 1 स्टेप बैक, right? So growth is uncomfortable. Growth is a 2 step forward, 1 step backward. But when you see this 1 step backward, and that is when if you can hold yourself, that is when if you can tell your mind that this is the process. This is a process and I will fall in this 1 step back trap, but I'm not going to give up. Because if you give up on that 1 step back, you will go to 0. Yes, that's how people who want to heal themselves, people who want to get out of a situation after doing a certain healing or after doing a certain mind activities or whatever, meditation, or in general their mind, they reprogram their mind in such a way. But then obviously you will face devastating things in that journey. In the journey of growth, you will see hurdles. It's not going to be smooth. It's not going to be smooth. So don't become uncomfortable with the 1 step backward, because the moment you become uncomfortable and you want to give up, you go to 0. I've seen a lot of people coming up to me. It's like, ma'am, I am doing a lot of work on me, but then कुछ ना कुछ ऐसा हो जाता है कि मतलब इतना कुछ हो जाता है कि मैं सब कुछ खो बैठती हूँ. So ये कब होता है? ये it's a sign. It's a sign that your situation is in progress. जब भी अभी लाइफ में आप एक कॉन्शियस चॉइस लोगे कि मुझे अपने आप को सुधारना है, अपनी पैटर्न सुधारनी है, अपनी मेंटल हेल्थ सुधारनी है, अपनी जितने भी कार्मास है उनको सुधारना है. अब जब भी ये अपने दिमाग में सिचुएशन में आप इसको कॉन्शियसली एक्सेप्ट करोगे, अपने दिमाग को ये भी समझा देना कि मेरे सामने डिवास्टेटिंग चीज़ें भी आने वाले हैं. अपने दिमाग को समझा दो डे 1 से कि आएंगे, लेकिन I am not going to give up, because I am in a process of healing myself, healing my soul, my lineage curse or whatever, mental health, mental pattern, depression, anxiety, जो कुछ भी है, मैंने consciously choice लिया है इसको heal करना है. Growth is very uncomfortable, darling. And trust me, just go and look into the mirror. You will see there's no one to blame. You will see yourself to blame. There's nobody standing. It's you. You decided consciously you want to make your situation better. You took a step. You did everything. But then something happened and you're like, I can't do it. I want to give up. The moment you say you want to give up, you go to 0. See, when you want to give up, it's actually the reflection of your victim mindset, which you consciously decide that you want to get away. So it's your victim mindset coming back when it is telling you that you want to give up. Because a victim mindset always loves to go back to zero, always love to hide in comfort. So if this sort of thoughts are coming in your mind in your process of growth, process of healing yourself, that always remember is your victim mind who is commanding you. It's always easy to say, like, I tried a lot, I tried so much, but still it's not happening. So many difficulties are coming on my way of healing myself, और मेरे अपने आप को ठीक करने का जब मैंने सोचा इतना सारा कुछ आ रहा है. I tried. No, you didn't tried. You didn't. That was just an excuse. You will only give yourself the answer that I tried the day you succeed. Because before succeed, any try doesn't count. The day you are completely healed, the day you completely forgiven all the wrong things that people have done with you, all the people, you seek forgiveness from all the people you have done wrong wholeheartedly, and you feel light, you feel like a feather, you feel like everything is joy, everything is beautiful, everybody is amazing, is the day when you succeed, is the day you proceeded to the last, the finishing line, is the day you can give credit to yourself that I tried and that's why I'm successful. And this is not just a message only for mental health or anxiety, depression, karmas. It's in general. Like, if you're telling me that I tried a lot, doesn't count. Don't give your mind the comfort, don't give your mind the credit for trying. Why? Give it. When you succeed, when you hold the victory cup in your hand, then give your mind the comfort, the appreciation that, oh mind, you tried. I'm so proud of you. So growth is uncomfortable. Growth is 2 steps forward, 1 step backward. Don't get disappointed, disheartened, and don't go to the point zero just by difficult situation cropping up in your journey to success, in your journey to heal yourself, in your journey to break your karmas, in your journey to be completely free of all the baggages that your soul holds, to free yourself from all the difficulties. Growth is slow, but it's steady. And if you don't give up, you're surely gonna win. Thank you so much for watching. Do leave a comment below. What do you think about this video? What is your perspective about growth? How much you have progressed in your life after taking the conscious choice that you want to heal yourself? Do let me know in the comment section. And yes, of course, subscribe my channel if you haven't yet. If you're watching for the first time, I post videos from Monday to Friday. Each and every video is a message that I channel, and some of the other message will resonate with your life. See you in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.